Yes ma'am, tanong lang po namin Dr. Melissa, ano po yung assessment po ninyo sa naging takbo ng unang araw ng confirmation of charges hearing kahapon? Malakas po ba yung naging presentation ng magkabilang panig?
Well, ang purpose lang naman po ng confirmation hearing is not really to already weigh the evidence, but rather to identify kung alin yung mga charges na pwedeng i-try, taking into account the economic cost of a full-blown trial, the difficulty of bringing in the witnesses and preserving the evidence. So, ganun yung aim ng confirmation hearing. Now, of course, it is also supposed to be the opportunity for the defense to answer the charges. But here, as you can see, the primary position of the defense is that walang jurisdiction yung ICC, and therefore yun yung focus ng kanilang argumentation as to naman dun sa answering the evidence presented. Siyempre yung kanilang ita-target, i-demolish would be the elements of the crimes against humanity. In particular, yung aspect ng widespread ba and systematic ba yung murder committed against civilian populations. And for that reason, mas importante na mas malakas yung evidence ng prosecution rather than mas malakas yung attack ng defense against the evidence of the prosecution. Because here, the presumption, we have to bear in mind that at this point, si Duterte is still just a suspect. Hindi pa siya accused. Magiging accused na siya pag nandun na siya sa trial. So here, yun pa lang, yung evidence dapat ng kabila ng prosecution, dapat mas malakas.